Hello, so today we have a question from someone who'd like to remain anonymous, but she's 26 years old and she says, I usually never get feelings for someone. I'm dating this amazing person whom I click with, and finally some feelings have developed. He also seems really into me and devoted, which is why I like him even more. However, I always saw myself being with someone who has always wanted something serious. This person I am with had his hoe phase, which is fine, but it makes me wonder if you're ever able to leave that life 100%. He says he's looking for something serious, but I'm afraid it won't last because of his sex drive, I guess. I have no idea. Um, Thank you so much for your input. Well, Anonymous, this is how I see it. You don't normally get feelings for people, and and then now you develop some feelings, so you like this guy, and he seemingly likes you as well. So here you are, you both like each other, but you're a little fearful of his past affecting your present relationship. And rightfully so. You've opened yourself up to him and now you're vulnerable. And to be honest, it's not uncommon for guys to say one thing and then do something later that contradicts that thing. That is not about you though, that's more about him and him believing the feelings that he's feeling about you and not getting them mixed up with his logical brain, if that makes sense. But I'll get into that in another video. It's a whole other concept. But I see this situation as more of a you thing, and here's why. It seems as though you're looking for confirmation from him about your relationship. So my question to you is, what does that look like for you? Do you need him to verbally tell you every day or a couple times a day, hey, you're the only person I want to be with? Or do you need him to hold your hand whenever you're in public to physically show, like, hey, this is my girl, I don't want anybody else? Something that I would invite you to do is look for confirmation with yourself first. Do you trust that he likes you for you and that sex is just a perk of the relationship? Do you think that you're not sexual enough for him? Or do you think that your personality is lacking? Where is this doubt of you not being enough coming from? If I were you, this is where I would start. I would figure myself out first so that you can bring this forward to him and you can address it together. It'd be unfair to him, yourself, and the relationship to not bring this up and not talk about it, because you may start to resent him for something that he has no idea is going on in the back of your head. He's completely unaware of the situation until you bring it up with him. And humans are sexual in nature to varying degrees. I think that determining for both of you what your physical and emotional needs are, and establishing what you can provide for each other in those respects would put you in a better position to understand where he's coming from, and you can both have stronger footing to move forward in your relationship from there. But yeah, that's about it. Talk with them, figure yourself out, work on it together. You guys are in a relationship, or seemingly so. So, takes two to tango. See you guys later. Peace.